In the next video, you will learn how to install your Ultraloq combo. Install and test the lock wheel door open to avoid being locked out, and please follow the instructions in order. This is what you will use to install UL1. Before installing UL1, please check the door's dimensions. The first step is installing the latch and the strike. You can adjust the latch length. Now, please place the spindle in the middle hole of the exterior assembly. And make sure the arrow is facing up for a right-handed installation. Then, place the external assembly. The spindle goes in the middle hole of the latch, and the cable goes through the hole above the latch. Then install the internal mounting plate. Make sure that the door edge symbol is facing the right way. Use screws B to fix it in the position. Please place the spring in the middle hole of the internal assembly. Then connect the wire. You will hear a click. Align the spindle with the middle hole of the internal assembly. Then put the wire inside the door to have a better installation. Match and connect the gaps between the internal mounting plate and the internal assembly. The internal assembly should be tilted 30 degrees to click the gaps. Then turn it to a horizontal level and tighten it using screw C. You can use a coin to open the battery cap. Then insert two AA batteries, and then close the battery cap. This is what you will use to install the outer bolt. Please check the door's dimensions and check the distance between UL1 and the outer bolt. The first step is installing the bolt and the strike. You can adjust the bolt's length. Now, place it inside the door and make sure the up icon faces up. Secure it using screw C. Before installing the external assembly, cut the tailpiece using 2 pliers depending on the thickness of your door. To install the external assembly, keep the tailpiece horizontal. This one goes through the middle hole in the bolt. To install the mounting plate, pass the tailpiece through the middle hole, then secure it using screws D. When you're up to the middle of the first screw, start tightening the second one. This way you will have the right installation. To install the interior assembly, remove the battery cover. Rotate the knob to a vertical position to stay unlocked. Then attach the interior assembly to the mounting plate using screws E. Install 4 AA batteries and then the battery cover. Ultraloq combo needs to be calibrated before using it. First, turn the handle down. Then insert the reset needle and push the reset hole until you hear a beep. To open Ultraloq combo with your fingerprint, make sure your finger is flatly placed at the center of the reader. Then, turn the handle down. If you want to use a key fob, please place it at the center, covering the reader. To lock Ultraloq combo, just pull up the exterior handle until you hear 2 short beeps. You're all set. If you have any questions, please email us at support@u-tec.com.